Hey guys, welcome to Sunday Tips. Today's summer styling tips for men. Don't know what to wear during the hot summer days? Well, you are in the right place. Here I am going to list out all the essential that you need during the summer season and will also let you know about the ongoing trends and how to style them. First is wear summer friendly materials. Use linen and cotton only because they are breathable, light and comfortable. Second is get those polos on. Polos can be great option for those hot days when you don't want to wear a shirt but still want to dress a bit formal. It is a great option for both casual and slightly formal occasion. You can wear a polo with jeans for lunch or party and you can wear them with chinos or trousers for the office or a date. Third is buy some shorts. Shorts are an essential part of any summer wardrobe. These are not only extremely comfortable in the hot summer days but are also stylish if you know how to wear them. You can wear shorts in many ways. You can pair it with a long line t-shirt for the street inspired look, or you can pair with a nice button down for a classic semi formal look, or you can just rock it with a basic round neck t-shirt. The important thing to remember while styling short is the fit. The length should be right above your knees and it should not be baggy or too tight. Every man needs at least a couple of shorts in his wardrobe. It is a perfect option for a day out with friends or a Sunday brunch. Fourth is play with pattern and colors. Well, as we already know, summers are all about colors. This summer patterns are bright colors are on trend. Try out some colorful t-shirt, chinos or shorts. Some patterns that I would recommend you to start with are basic stripes, horizontals or vertical, checks or small patterns. Fifth is step up your footwear game. For summers, the most important piece of footwear is sneakers and loafers. Sneakers are going to be your best friend in the summer season. You can pair them with all casual outfits and even with some semi formal or formal outfits. Similarly, loafers can be easily worn with most of the casual outfits and is a great match for almost any formal outfits. Other than these two, you might need a monk strap or lace up shoe for some very formal events, and then you are all set for summers. Sixth is pants. No matter how stylish or comfortable the shorts are, you can't wear shorts everywhere, and that's why you need pants. There are many pant options for summers like jeans, chinos, or trousers. Let's start with jeans. For summer, you should focus more on the lighter shade instead of dark washed ones and avoid acid wash jeans. For chinos, firstly, it should not be baggy and length should be right above your ankle. You can also play around with colors here. I would suggest to try out maroon, navy blue or olive green other than your basic beige or black. Trousers are something that you should avoid wearing in summer unless you have to wear them and instead wear chinos. Keep the fit perfect and try to avoid heavy or non breathable fabric. Go for cotton or linen trousers in summer as they are more breathable. Seventh is accessories. Accessories can elevate your whole outfit easily without putting in many efforts. Some accessories that I think are essential for summers are watch, baseball hat, sunglasses, and perfume. For summers, you need a simple watch with a basic dial and a simple strap without too many colors or patterns. Baseball hat. This not only makes you look better and sportier but is also a great thing to use when you're having a bad hair day and you don't have enough time to hairstyle your hair. Avoid patterns or logos and bright colors hat. Next is sunglasses. You can't really go wrong with this one. These not only protect your eyes from UV rays but also makes you look great. Make sure to avoid glasses with too many patterns or too bright colors. Stick to classic colors and styles. Also choose the right pair according to your face shape. Next is perfume. A good perfume is something that every man needs. It can make you more stylish and good looking instantly. It becomes even more important during summers. So invest in good perfume. So that's it for today. Thank you. See you next Sunday.